Hey, Moss. Let's go see the babies. Where are the babies? Where are the babies? Right here? These are the babies? What's up? What's up, boy? What? What? You want some loving too? You want some loving too? Come on, let's go see the babies. Let's go see your babies. Can I play with your babies? Can I play with your tiny babies? Can I play with your tiny babies? Can I play with them, please? Can I play with them? Can I play with the tiny puppies? Yeah. Let me play with the tiny puppies. Let me play with the tiny puppies. Hi, mamas. That's not nothing to eat. It's a phone, weirdo. It's a phone. You tiny guys. Look at this guy right. Look at this one right. Looking like a little baby cow. Hi. Baby pups. Baby. Oh, I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't mean to kick you. I'm sorry. Got the baby chickens over here. Where they at? Hiding somewhere. Probably in the house. We got chickens. We got baby chickens over here. Watch out, guys. I don't want to step on you. Careful. Got the baby chicks over here looking for food in the garbage. What's up, mamas? Look at your pups. They're very cute. What? You're tying yourself up. Be careful. You're gonna tie yourself up. Come. What's up, mamas? What? What's up, mamas? Can I play with your babies? Please and thank you. Let me play with your pups. Can I play with them? Play with your pups. You're the calm one, huh? Hey, mamas. You want to be loved too, mamas? You want some loving too? Hey, little guy. These are your two boys that's gonna hold you down? These are your two boys? Your two boys? You get them? Alright, I'll put your pups down. I'll put them down. I'll put them down and give you some loving. What? You want some loving too? You want some loving too? Bye, guys. Hope you have a decent life. Alright? I got my blessings. Alright, little puppy. You wanna bite me? Y'all wanna bite me? Y'all wanna bite me? Huh? Fuck y'all now. Fuck y'all now. Fuck y'all now. But these guys are the size of my hand. No cap. This guy here, come. She has something right here. What is that? Hold on, mommy, wait. I don't want to leave y'all, but can't take y'all. Yeah, Ma, come here. There's like little puppies over here.